You want to turn all the bath fans on?
Okay, this is observed with the air handler on, all the bedroom doors shut. Minus 5.7 to minus 5.9 pascals. So let's go over to the window. And we're going to crack the window open. And as you can see, it's definitely a fresh air issue into the house. As it's still, I wouldn't be happy with it, but it's an improvement. Should keep the fireplace from backdrafting. Go ahead and shut that window, Ryan. And as you can see, the negative pressure rises with the window shut. Let's crack all these bedroom doors again.